Friends, how are you? I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty God. I also fine. Welcome to my online class. I am Ganesh Chandra Das, Assistant Teacher of English, Gaptala Secondary School. Dear learners, you know that I have learned the voice in the previous class, but today I shall discuss narration. Look at the board, the heading of narration or speech. Narration, the definition of narration, speech of a speaker is called narration. There are two kinds of narration: direct narration or speech and indirect narration or speech. The definition of direct speech: when a speech is is quoted in the actual words used by the speaker, it is called the direct narration or speech. For example, Tina said to me, quotation, stars inverted comma, I am eating rice. Finish the quotation. Number two, indirect speech. The definition of indirect speech. But when the speech is reported in the form of a narrative giving the substance or meaning of words used by the speaker without quoting his actual word, it is called indirect speech. Look at the board. Rina told me that she was eating rice. Repeating verb. What is repeating verb? Repeating verb when the speech of a speaker begins by verb is called repeating verb. And repeated speech, the part is in an inverted comma is called repeated speech. Dear learners, if we want to sense direct to indirect speech, we have to know the sense of tense, sense of time or place, and sense of person in the field of narration. So, look at the board. Dear learners, sense of tense or verbs, direct to indirect, present indefinite change into past indefinite, present continuous tense change into past continuous tense, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous, shall, should, will, would, may, might, can, could. Dear learners, take your khata and write down to direct to indirect in the sense of tense. Dear learners, dear learners, I have finished my lesson here. Tomorrow I shall discuss the rest of the topics. No more today. To stay with me by this time. Thank you very much.